Welcome back, guys. Baseball season starting up soon, so I'm sure you guys all need to re-grip your bats and clean off your pine tar. So we're going to show you how to do that here. Let's go. First, we're going to start off by taking off your old bat grip. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, once you have the back grip off, throw it in the trash can, throw it aside. You're never gonna need that again. And then there's your bat. And then it's probably gonna have a ton of sticky stuff if yours is as bad as mine. So then, to also clean the pine tar off and get the stickers off, you're gonna grab an old cloth and some rubbing alcohol. Just put a little bit on your cloth. Not on your hand, and then just scrub. So we got our back grip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the end, the tapered, with like slants, and it has like right-handed and left-handed. So depending on who you are, you're gonna put it that way. So I'm right-handed, so we're gonna put it on that way. But you're not done yet. That's when you grab your finishing tape. Make sure it's facing the right way. So you want to keep it tight as you wrap it around. So it looks good, you know. You want your bats to look good, play good, feel good. So there's our finished products. And it's not absolute crap like this one. Looks good. Next video, we'll test out the Bone Saber, see how it handles. Okay, see you next time.